Hi, and welcome to another episode in our series of short, helpful videos on how the FedBiz365 market intelligence platform makes government contracting and your life simpler. I'm Frank Krebs, Senior Contracting Specialist at FedBiz Access, and today I will demonstrate some key things to remember when identifying bid opportunities. Now, I am starting today by having gone in and added filters. You will want to use filters in every area of the database. It's how you go about drilling down to find what you want to look for. Today, we're looking at two filters. Active, this means the opportunity is active. You can bid on it if it's a solicitation. If not, you can submit questions, you can submit answers, you can do something with this opportunity with the government contracting officer. And I'm looking at keywords. All right. When we're looking at keywords, you can look for multiple things at one time. I don't just have to do roofing or just have to do remodeling. I can do multiple and I can see what's out there. So I've got roofing, I've got remodeling, I've got exterior painting, interior painting, HVAC, and janitorial. I've got an or between each of these words or phrases. And remember, if you are searching for a two-word phrase or three-word phrase, put quotes around it. Exterior painting is in quotes, interior painting is in quotes. You must do that to make sure you get the words exterior painting together, interior painting together. Otherwise, you'll be looking at opportunities for artwork to be installed on the interior of a building or exterior of a building. You want to paint that building, so you want to make sure you put quotes around. Now, this has 478 opportunities under these categories. When you look at federal opportunities, two things you want to focus on right away. Type right here and set aside. Okay. The type tells you what the opportunity is about. If it says synopsis solicitation, great, you can bid that. If it says solicitation, you can bid that. But if it says pre-solicitation or something else like sources sought or special notice, look at it, read it, understand what it is. If there were questions asked, respond to it, but you can't bid that opportunity yet. The other thing to focus on is set aside. All right. It could say none, like this one here does. That means there is no set aside. Anyone can bid that contract. However, if it says SBA or SDVOSB or anything here, there's a set aside, meaning the government has set that contract aside for a particular class or category of business only. In this case, if I look here under set aside, when I open it up, I get service disabled, veteran-owned small business. Now, as a small business, all right, there are different size standards based on the NAICS code. You don't have to memorize it. The system tells you. Current size standard for this NAICS code is 19 million. If it's dollars, that's annual revenue. Your annual revenue must be less than 19 million to be considered a small business. It could say a number of employees, for example, 500. If it says 500 employees, you must have less than 500 employees to be considered a small business. Okay? Pay attention to type and set aside. The next most important thing to pay attention to is deadline. Make sure you have enough time to submit a bid if it's a biddable opportunity. All right. Now, there's 478 federal opportunities. State and local, there's more. There's 1,700. Okay. But in any case, that's way too much to drill down into. What are you going to do? You're going to add another filter. Okay. I'm going to add place of performance. My business is located in the Carolinas. So I'm just going to do North Carolina and South Carolina. Now, what have I reduced it down to? I've reduced it to 23 federal. State and local, it's still 105. a more manageable number. But if I want to make it even more manageable, I can take out a couple keywords. Like, for example, I can make it be just roofing. Now, what do I have? I have 11 opportunities on federal, 49 state and local. Use filters. Filters allow you to either drill further down or back off how far down you've drilled. All right, that's it for today. Simple, sweet.